Hey everyone, today I want to show you this Lintman's porch light that I got. This porch light is made with a heavy duty aluminum which can withstand all kinds of weather, snow, rain, ice, wind, and it can handle those things without being rusted as well. So it'll stand through those things and still look great on your porch or wherever you have it. And a nice tempered glass for the outside, and it would go beautiful with any porch or front porch, your backyard, your garage, and by your garden. It's a motion sensor light, which a motion sensor is right there, so it can be used for nighttime security as well. And it's very simple to use with the control panel that it comes with right on the bottom. And I'll show you a close-up of it in a little bit, but you can adjust the distance that you want in your yard, your motion sense. If you want 10 feet, 20, 30, or 40 feet, depending on how big your yard is, you get to choose. And then you also can adjust the brightness if you don't want it on in the daytime, or if you do, you can have a low light, or you can set it for seasonal time too during the year if you want soft lights. There's a bunch of different settings and percentages that you can choose from and pick which you would like to use. It will detect any motion. The light will automatically turn on for 1 minute. If it doesn't detect motion after 1 minute, it automatically turns off. I'm going to show you how easy this is to install on my front porch. Thank you so much for watching.